Impatient driver starts honking at the limos, which block the intersection. I wanna see your opinion on this clip. Comment down below.
What's wrong with you? It's a funeral! It's a funeral! You shut up! Don't give your face like disrespectful!
Truck driver forgot to lower his trailer down, and he causes huge mess on the road. Luckily, drivers behind saw what will happen, and they slowed down.
Abi sen iyi misin? Seni var ya ta geride gördüm. Korna çalıyorum, işaret ediyorum. Acele ediyorum. Nereye vurdun? Kariyere mi vurdun? Abi trafik şeyine vurdun sen. Tabelalara vurdun. Tabelaya mı vurdun? Ambulans çağırayım mı? Şey misin? Durum nasıl? Abi vadinin oradan gidiyor mu ya? Zaten oradan. Abi.
Bad driver slams on brakes while switching lanes and almost creates a big mess.
What I need to do is find out where he can take it. And
This dashcam caught the driver, which was definitely on something. He couldn't drive straight. While following him for some time, this driver decided to report him to the cops.
Of course. Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Tesla owner got hit by two guys in a stolen vehicle. After the accident, they tried to run away, but Tesla owner followed them. Luckily, white SUV driver was paying attention and he managed to avoid swerving driver. driver from the red car wasn't paying attention, and he rear-ends this nice Audi.
Europe fears widespread economic fallout if Russian gas outage drags on. It turns out that when you pursue environmental policy at the cost of actual things happening in the world today, what you end up doing is empowering some of the world's worst human beings, like, for example, Vladimir Putin and the administration over in Russia. According to the Wall Street Journal,
Driver didn't want to wait in traffic, so he cuts through the grass. Unfortunately for him, cops saw him and pulled him over. Careless driver cuts through the traffic and then stops in front of a truck.
Here's that tabernacle.
There's a lot going on. Do you? Are you overthinking it? Probably. I'm sure I am. But it's a new layout, it's a new house, you know, so I'm...
Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below on which clip you like the most. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.